Let's see what happens here.
Why does Cam help Eric find the no?
They're so eager and enthusiastic, the few kids who are raising their hands, but it's really only 2 or 3. Most students don't have an answer yet. So Akila wants to give them a little bit more time.
Hands down. Amani,
That lovely whisper, hands down.
looking at what we know about the characters. Nice move.
Now she's directing them to the resource chart. Amani's looking at what we know about the character. She's teaching them not only to use their wait time, but how to use their wait time. Is it implicit to a student that when you give me 10 seconds to think, I should go back to my notes, I should look at our class notes, I should look back at the text? Of course not. So one of the things we can do during those few seconds of wait time is drop in little phrases that help students understand how to be productive during wait time. I see some of you going back to the text, or some of you might flip. If you're unsure of the answer, you might flip back through the text. Page 3 is very important. Or flip to some of our vocabulary words. They might help you to answer this question.